This is your captain speaking. It is Baker of Baker Charters. Today, I am taking out a couple of subscribers to 9 Mile Bank. We will stop by La Jolla and we will sabiki mackerels. We will then proceed to North 9 and work our way around. These guys have been out rock fishing with me before. Had a great time. Nice few guys. It's really early. It's like 4:15 in the morning. Pretty tired. It was my birthday yesterday. I think we had dinner. It was cool. No, we had dinner. It was great. I really want to get some bluefin tunas. Don't have a lot of time. Can't be out on the water all day. But the good news is there's some intel that the fish are pretty close. Odie said on the last 3-day they were at 9 Mile Bank. So obviously they can move pretty quick. They can go back south, they can go farther out, they can go north, they can go wherever. But this time of year, the channel, you know, between 9 and 30 Mile Bank, I feel like there's a lot of activity going on out there in general. Just the fish are all kind of moving, you know. It's a migratory area, so it's kind of an area where running and gunning and drifting is the thing to do, and a lot of the sport boats don't have time to do that. When you got 25-30 guys on there, you know, you got to chum those guys up and have the opportunity to get all those lines in the water. So skiff like me, we can kind of take advantage of different zones where the sport boats may not be able to satisfy the hunger of a whole crew. So we're gonna pulling up to the dock right now. I'm gonna pick these guys up. We're gonna jam to La Jolla, fill up this bait tank with Spanish Max and hopefully some greenbacks, and I'm just gonna jam out there. Wish us luck. All right, quick little update. Baker Charters here. We got the mackerels. We jammed out to the 9 Mile Bank. We were slow trolling Spanish mackerels and we got bid after we found a patty. And we got birds. We got tuna everywhere, dude. We got schools of 20 pounders over there. We got big stuff over there. We got who knows what on the hook right here. We'll find out soon. Guys, I got tuna pouring under the boat. Look at that. Left and right tuna zone here. We're at 9 Mile Bank, June 21st. There's tuna everywhere. Guys, we literally have boils. Separate boils, like one there, one there, one there, one there, over there, over here. They are blowing up all around this boat, dude. Foamers, guys, right over there. They're just wide open right now. Everybody was having tough fishing the last 3 days. Out of gear, out of gear. Tough fishing the last 3 days, but now it looks like they're up high, they're woke, they're awake. Huh? Hell man, I'm just so freaking pumped. We got a bite, dude. Even if it gets away, dude. It honestly, it was. It really was. Tagging the captain. Captain's tagging in. Oh yeah, dude, this is a freaking healthy one. After it. Oh yeah, we're gonna need like a belt or something. You have one? No. I need one. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. Right on top. I'm pulling him across the surface. He's right there. Out there like 30 feet. Gaff. Get the gaff. I mean, it's still far away. Just have it in. Get it ready. I'm gonna try to not let him dig, but he might be able to. The problem with him being up high is he's got nowhere to go but down. We'd rather have him in a pinwheel. They're foaming up over there. Look at that foamer! Oh my god! Oh.
Jellyfish on the line.
He's tired. He's tired. I'm not tired.
Oh, there you go.
He's gonna dig. Got the gaff? All right, cool. He's tired. He's coming.
I'm gonna walk that way. He's gonna take me around the boat. Yeah, see, I can feel him pulling back and he's trying to dig. I'm just holding him right there, see? If he pulls any harder, I'm letting him go though. He's trying. Nope. No, 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 no. I said no. He says, I don't care.
Says I'm bluefin, I do it all.
Oh, he's trying hard right there. Damn it, come on, fish. Dude. Yeah, I haven't heard it playing any guitar. That's a good sound. Or that's good. He's not playing. You don't hear any of that doing, 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 doing. Oh, man, I am not as strong as I used to be. Yeah, and people are like, I want to go catch super cows. I do not want to catch no fucking 200-pound tunas, dude. This is probably a 30, 40 pounder. I just gotta get him to a fucking pinwheel. He's coming. Come on. Come on. Oh, see that? Fucking tried to dig right there. Fucker. He's almost in the pinwheel. He's almost pinwheeling. Once he gets up and down, he's done. We got to get him in the pinwheel though, and if he until he is pinwheeling, he could still dig. He should only be like 30 feet. Yeah, he's trying to stay up high. Coming that way. Fuck. No. He isn't. Fuck, dude. Look at him, dude. He's right there.
Yeah.
He's right there. I can see my leader. He's getting tired. He getting tired. He getting tired. I'm not getting tired.
He's getting tired, not you.
I'm not getting tired.
Like where the sun rays are at.
Right over by all the birds.
Come on, dude. All right, I got a tag. Next. You sure?
Got it.
All right. It's got pressure on it now. You cannot let line up. The problem is it's like weightlifting, except you're in the middle of a constant bench press. Like you've got it halfway up and you can't push it up anymore. Like, oh, dude. Oh my God, dude, they're everywhere. Sooner or later, we're gonna get this fish in, guys. How long have we been on the hook now? Like 20, 30 minutes?
18.
18 minutes? Oh, you timing it? Nice. Whew. All right, well, unfortunately, guys, we lost that fish. Had it up to the boat, probably about 10 feet from the gaff, and had a premature failure there, but we got the troller back out. We got fish blowing up right in front of us,
Right back
and
out.
we're gonna try to get another one. All right, guys. Well, that was a really fun half-day trip. It's not very often when you can go out and get back in a half day's time and say you broke off on 100+ pound bluefin tuna. If we would have actually caught the tuna, we would have been back way sooner because we got bit at like 8 a.m. and we could have had that thing back at the processor by 10:30. Unfortunately, we lost it at the gaff, and we proceeded to keep looking for more fish naturally. Did not find another bite, but the day was not all heartbreak. It was a very good day, and again, we did not burn tons of gas. We did not spend all day looking for fish. We got right out there, we caught our bait. The game plan went according to plan. We just didn't land the fish, but just even getting bit on this stuff is just crazy. Learned a lot, and definitely grew as an angler. I became a better fisherman today. I learned a lot. So that data will definitely be analyzed and used for our next trip. I just picked up a Nomad Mad Mac, so I would like to get out there and try that thing as soon as possible, because even though we did get bit on live bait, and even though I will continue to catch my own live bait because I know those Spanish mackerels, they work really well, people on the radio are definitely getting bit on these Mad Macs, so it also just helps to, like, since it's designed for high-speed trolling, you can at least cover more ground while trolling than other traditional trolling methods. So I picked up one of those to try, and I'm not sure when I'll get back out here. I'm about to go on a 4-day trip to work on the Aztec, and then I'm not sure after that when I will be back out on the water. So I'm gonna try to edit this video real quick, get it out to you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. I won't spoil the surprise, but stay tuned for a special announcement. I gotta arrange some finances, but Baker Charters is definitely doing its best to start offering full-day trips, but I gotta do something to the boat first. So if I can make that happen, I will definitely start offering full-day trips to the public, and so we can get in on this action, because today was just amazing. The foamers everywhere, I couldn't believe it, but it was very much an early bite time. We got to get out there early. As soon as it shut down after like 30 minutes after we got bit, it just turned off. So it's exciting, it's exhilarating. I'm sad a little bit that we didn't get the fish, but just even to get bit, you guys, just to feel the power, man. We were so close, and we did everything right. There's nothing we could have done. We literally pushed the tackle to the limit. This fish was easily 120, 130 pounds. I've seen plenty of them. This was a big one, and I got bit on a rod with 50-pound braid, single speed. I thought this was small stuff. The fish that I could see were only 20 pounds. I didn't know it was such a mixed grade with big stuff down low, or I probably would have ran the 60-pound with the 100-pound braid. But no, I used my single speed reel, 50-pound braid down to 40-pound fluorocarbon leader. So, I mean, I honestly am kind of proud that we were even able to get it up that close to the gaff on that light of tackle for that fish. This thing was big. So, gonna wrap it up. I'm getting back to the slip now. Lovely SeaWorld Marina. We're gonna try it again next week, guys. As soon as I get back from the Aztec, if I don't go right back out, then I'm gonna be out there sending you a video of this thing working, and we will see how that goes. Peace.